Asalamoalaikum friends. Today we are gonna find the derivative by first principle. So our first question is f of x is equal to x square. The first principle formula I have written here, which is f prime a is equal to limit x approaches to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. In order to put the values in this formula, first we need to find the value of f of x and f of a. So let's find the values of both of these functions. F of x is equal to x square, which is given in this function, and f of a, it means that here the domain a is working as a domain, so we are gonna put the domain in this function. So the function will becomes a square. So let's put the values in this formula. F prime a is equal to limit x approaches to a f of x square minus, what is f of a square minus x minus a. Here x square minus a square, we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. By this formula we will open this x square minus a square in this form. X approaches to a, this will becomes x plus a and x minus a, in denominator x minus a. X minus a is cancelled. What is remain in the numerator? F prime a limit x approaches to a, and in numerator x plus a. Now we have done the factorization. So our next step, we will apply the limit, that is x approaches to a. Applying limit, we have f prime a is equal to, here x will be replaced by a because the limit is a plus a plus a is equal to 2a. Okay, this is not the final answer, because we know very well that our question is be given us in the form of f of x function, because we are doing differentiation with respect to x. So that's why we will replace, a will be replaced by x. F prime x is equal to, here a will be replaced by x. This is our final answer, which has been found by the first principle formula. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed my lecture. Kindly subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.